Here is how to install YouTube as an app on your Mac. But before we do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So first, I want you guys to open up Google Chrome. This is because YouTube can easily be downloaded from there. Once you open up Chrome, go ahead and search up YouTube. Then, on the top right hand corner, click on these three lines, and then click on Cast, Save, and Share. Then you will see an Install YouTube button. Click on that, and then press on Install. Then it will download, and as you can see, I have YouTube as an app right here. This will automatically pop in to your applications so you can easily find YouTube. If you want to open it, just go to your apps, and YouTube is right here, and if I click on it, it launches YouTube from your Mac. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment with any questions you have. I will see you in the next video.